His name is Damien. I'm Jax. And that's his dog. And then here's his 85. Well, it's not his yet. His is 65. It is his. And this is his crappy Cobra that he has.
I guess. I'm gonna call it crappy so he picks up the track every time. Oh, Jax! Jax! Ah! Jax and weight plates. Nothing to shout about.
Sure.
I mean, everybody's stupid. It says Kickstarter right there. I think we know that. And so we got Renthal.
It's winter.
Renthal. It's Renthal. Pro Taper.
Ow, my toe.
Okay.
So,
Now, if you were...
I just got this cut
If you were...
by a hammer.
Yes. Don't ask why.
With the end of it.
If you were trying to find where the gas thing is to turn it off, not 85, 2006 KX85, it would be like right here, and then like the oil's right there. No, and then we got the coolant. No, wait, we got the gas. Coolant.
This is actually the gas, kids.
I know.
This is the coolant.
I'm joking. We got a
Gas.
We got a.
This is the gas.
No, Jax.
This is the
Jax.
coolant.
We got a breakable. And then I just snapped. What? I think so.
Here, we're going outside really quick. See if... Yeah.
It's
fine.
warm!
Yeah, I just found a wrench on the ground, so...
No, that's not. That's a screwdriver.
I found a screwdriver on the ground, so...
Most of the time,
Oh!
if you have a 4-stroke, the pipe isn't going to be like this, or that. It's going to maybe be small.
It's going to be thin. If you have a 2-stroke, it's going to be...
Thin.
It's going to be, like,
That thing.
big.
Saddle, what are you doing?
And then here's his RC car.
Saddle, what are you doing? Come here. Come here.
By the way, his name is Damien, and his name is Sada. As we like to call him, Pig.
AKA Pig.
And here's my name, Jax.
Look at Sada's face.
He's a human being. You okay, Sada? Here, let's go over here. Check out the parts.
We're not putting that one on.
And here's this one.
Wait, I think we're not putting that one on. We're not putting this on, it's bent.
Yeah, that one's bent.
I know what this is for.
Fender.
The guy's camera used to be there. And then we got,
Yeah, and then we got a sticker for it. Dunlop.
no. Actually, we're not doing that one. It doesn't fit in the fender. We
And
got
then-
some grips with it. They're
Cool.
kind of old and beat up, though, but I like them.
Got the grips.
Oh, what else do we got? Got some gaskets for an 85. More gaskets for an 85.
And here, let's move on into the living room.
Oh, Jax.
Here's his headphones, I think.
Jax, come here.
And
Got 4 cases of water.
yeah, they really
Come in
like
here,
water
come in here,
and
come here,
Pepsi.
Come here, come here, come here, come here.
He's got a PS4.
Yeah.
That's my bag right there. And then Sour Patch Kids.
Yeah.
And then we got Adidas sweatshirt. And then here's a lamp. You want to see it? I might burn your eyeballs. But here's a TV. And this is my phone. And here's a zombie picture
Jax.
of the zombie monster truck. And here's Kyle Hart.
No, do it again. We got feather Oopsie.
It's broke. We got some Axe.
Don't spray it in your eyes. Get it.
We just cleaned his room, so. And yeah, here's Damien's butt crack.
Oh my god, Jax. Look, eat that
And then-
video now.
And then we've got some PS4 games. We got Grand Theft Auto. We got MX versus ATV. We got 2 Xbox 360s. We got also 2 more PlayStation 4 Watch Dogs 2. And we got MXGP. And we got 3 remotes for Xbox 360. He's got money. He's got $100 in here.
More
Right
than
there.
100.
Right there. He's got $100.
Jax, Jax.
He's got a Nintendo 3DS.
No, I don't.
He has a Jordan hat.